Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing internal three papers. So in this video, I will provide you solutions for the question and we will see detailed analysis for each one, right? This ones are MCQ, so we will not go in deep. I will make sure that you will understand from beginner level, right? So see, first question is, which paradigm of data research involves asking what problems can be solved given some data? So we are given data and we are asking to solve problems. So this type of paradigm is data driven. So let me write here data driven and option is B, right? Now let's see for the second question. Unstructured data cannot be easily stored in. We have tables, spreadsheet, relational database, and images or audio. We know that unstructured data, which is audio, video, uh, be it website related data like blobs of characters, this type of data cannot be easily stored in tables. So the correct answer for this should be tables. Right? Let me write option A, tables. Okay. Now for third, we have probability of an event E is calculated as product of all probability, sum of probability, average of probability, maximum probability. We know that for an outcome, we just sum it up and calculate the probability. So the correct answer should be E, sum of probability. Yeah. Let's see for the fourth one. We have in descriptive statistics, which measure is useful for skewed distribution of data with outliers. We know that arithmetic mean is not that good metric for skewed or for data with outliers. Why? Because it can distort the image of what we can say our visualization of the data set. So arithmetic mean is not preferred. Geometric mean is for ratio type thing. It is also not preferred. Mode is for frequently occur data set of our imputation where categorical data is required. It is also not preferred. Median is a better metric when we consider about the skewed distribution of data with outlier. So correct answer should be median. Right? Right. Next question. During data cleaning, artifacts are irrecoverable information lost during acquisition, systematic problem that can be corrected, missing values, outliers from data collection. Correct answer should be systematic problem that can be corrected because artifacts that can be recovered or that can be corrected, we just need to identify them. If we identify them, we can recover them and we can correct them, right? So these are different from errors in data cleaning term. Correct answer should be systematic problems that can be corrected. Right. Sixth question. Feature engineering from discrete data includes scaling, binning, one-hot encoding, log transform. Now see, we are asking for discrete data. Here scaling is for numerical data, binning is for numerical data, log transform is for numerical data which is used in pre-processing the feature variables, right? So the correct answer should be one-hot encoding in which we convert the categorical data into numerical vectors so that our ML model can feed it and make it for a correct prediction model, right? The correct answer should be one-hot encoding. In Python, it is implemented using pd.getDummies, right? Now, the normal distribution follows the 80-20 rule, 68, 95, 99.7 rule, Poisson variable equivalent long tails. The correct answer should be B because in normal distribution we have confidence level up to three levels. First level is 68 level, second is 95, and third is 99.7% confidence level. And on that basis we either accept or reject hypothesis. So the correct answer should be B. Like 68, 95, 99.7. Okay. Now let's see for 8. In modeling, the error term E consists of only irreducible, reducible, and irreducible bias only. So we know in modeling, this error E can be either reducible and it can be both reducible and non-reducible. Reducible error can be reduced, but non-reducible error, we cannot reduce it further. We can just dampen its effect, but we cannot reduce it, right? The correct answer should be C. This error consists of both reducible and non-reducible. Reducible. So now let's look at ninth question. Occam Razor suggests choosing the most complex model, simplest model with equal performance, most flexible model, model with highest variance. So see what Occam Razor says, that if you have two models with and both of them gives equal prediction performance. So we will choose the ones which have the simplest implementation or which is simpler to understand. So the correct answer should be B, simplest model with equal performance. Right? Simplest model with equal performance. Okay. Parametric model risk, no assumption about F, wrong assumption about leading to bad result, overfitting always, high interpretability. See, parametric models try to uh, make assumption about function, about its linearity, about its non-linearity. So if wrong assumption is made, it will lead to bad result or it will lead to underfitting. So the correct answer should be B. Yeah, B. Wrong assumption leading to bad result. Right? It can be linear regression. Okay. Now, 11th question is for classification, evaluation, precision is. So these are matrix which are used to for classifier, for evaluating a classifier. Okay. So we are given different formulas. D cannot be the formula. It is because area under iron. C cannot be. For precision, the correct formula is, let me write, TP is equal to TP precision is equal to TP upon TP plus FP. Right? This is the correct formula for precision, which is true positive, TP is true positive and FP is false positive. So this indicates that how many times our prediction is made correct across all positive instances, right? So correct answer would be B. Now let's see 12th question, in which in linear regression coefficients are found using second order optimization. No. Minimizing RSS? Yes. Maximizing variance? No. This is done in PCA, by the way, maximizing variance, and then clustering. No. So correct answer should be B, in which we minimize the residual sum squares, right? Minimizing RSS. Okay. Now let's see 13th question. Logistic regression predicts numerical values? No. Probabilities using sigmoid? Yes. Clusters? No. Distance? No. In logistic regression, we use a sigmoid function which gives values under 0 to 1, in between 0 to 1. So it is often done in classification using predicting probabilities of an event, or yeah. So B should be the answer. Probabilities. Sigmoid function is a z-like function which is like, let me write 1 upon um, 1 plus e to the power minus x. It is like that function, right? Now let's see for huh, Euclidean distances in Minkowski with k is equal to. So see, for k is equal to 1, we get Manhattan distance. For k is equal to 2, we get Euclidean distance. The correct answer would be, for k is equal to infinity, we get supremum distance, which is taken by which uses max function in its formula. The correct answer should be B. K-means clustering assign observation to. The answer should be closest centroid, because in k-means clustering, we assign the observation in the closest cluster in the closest centroid possible, so that similar objects are grouped together and those which are in different clusters which are in different clusters are dissimilar from each other. So the answer should be closest and right. Decision trees are prone to. So decision trees are prone to overfitting because they can train in the while training data, they can train with the noise. So they can train with the noise of the training data, which could lead to bad result in when we are using a test data or validation data. So this leads to overfitting because our model performs good on training data, but leads to bad result on our test data. So it will lead to overfitting as it will increase the variance. That's why it is leading to overfitting, right? Bias variance trade-off, bias, yes, overfitting. In neural networks, activation function introduced. So for every neuron, we know that we have a activation function which introduces non-linearity, right? The correct answer should be non-linearity. And it is often done for non-linear classification, right? So it is justified. Hadoop's HDFS provides. So what is the full form of HDFS? Hadoop Distributed File System. And and for what it is used for high throughput data access. So the correct answer should be B. It is often used in big data where data cannot be stored in single machine, so we store it in clusters, which is group of computers, right? In SQL to combine rows from two tables based on related columns. Okay, so we have to combine two tables based on related columns. What clause we will use? So the correct answer should be join because select is used for displaying, where is used for conditional, join is used, I just told, and group by is used for grouping the records. So the correct answer should be join. We have inner join, outer join, left join, right join, according to our need, right? Python DQ support. DQ is doubly ended queue, which can append and pop from both ends. The correct option should be B. Append and pop. Right. So this is our answers for for section 1. In the next video, we will be solving section